Hey everyone, quick video here to show you around this gorgeous Volkswagen Golf GTD. Registered in 2017, this car has covered just over 23,000 miles. The GTD takes the very practical Volkswagen Golf and adds the sporty edge with sports body kit, diamond cut alloy wheels, as you can see here, the gorgeous dynamic sweeping LED indicators. The GTD isn't all style, with the 2-litre diesel engine giving 184 PS, making this the perfect all-round hot hatchback. The interior is modern and well equipped, but has a few throwback features like the Jacquard cloth seats and the golf ball gear knob. The virtual cockpit can be customised to the driver's preference to show anything from fuel consumption to sat-nav on the high-quality display. The media system touchscreen gives you DAB, digital radio, Bluetooth, and even has the amazing Apple CarPlay Android Auto system. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch or come visit us at our Randallstown branch.